Yeah, it's going really well. Actually, and the other night on Tuesday,
Hmm.
I went to band practice and I was consciously using or utilizing the vertical alignment system. And I can tell you that it really works. I mean, I know at first it feels kind of unnatural, it feels kind of unusual, like odd, like, to place the mouthpiece on your lips,
Hmm.
just like so, with closed lips, and to let the air kind of push the lips open rather than me, consciously opening the lips to create the aperture. That was kind of new to me, but at first it felt kind of weird, odd. But over the last week, for some reason, it became natural to me. I mean, like I said last week, I just couldn't wait to get to band practice or to go to church to start applying this new technique, and it works. Um, it really works because, for example, on Tuesday after band practice, it was a really grueling, gruesome band practice. Very slow pieces, very long, winded. You know what I'm saying? So very difficult. Somehow, most of the band were really tired, like really exhausted, like their lips were really. Me, for some reason, it felt like I had, more energy, or I had some energy left, rather. So before this technique, I would feel pain all over my lips. Now, it's mostly around the jaw only. But the lips are nice, they're tingling, you know, they feel comfortable. So I thought maybe I should share this with you guys just to let you know that this system
Beautiful.
works. I mean, for some reason, like in the past, I would actually use it, but unknowingly, like, what is that? It sounds weird. Okay, well, and then I would forgot about it and then revert back to my old habits. But now I know it works. So I thank you, Harrison, and I'm still going to apply it until it becomes natural, really, really natural.
Exactly.
So I'm hopeful because I've seen in the past, well, not in the past, but in recent days, like last week or so, when I start using it. So I know it works and it really yields great, great results. I mean, the sound is more resonant, it's more resounding. It's not stuffed or like that, but it's more like a bell. You know what I'm saying? It rings. Actually, as you play the pitch, you can almost hear like another, like a bell, like a ringing sound, like in your ear, like it rings. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of happy about it.
Beautiful. That's fantastic. That's some great improvement. And tell everyone too how long you've been in precision brass.
Been playing?
No,
I'm
in
playing all my
precision
life.
brass in the program. When did you join?
I'm sorry.
When did you join
Oh,
the pro?
maybe a couple weeks ago, maybe.
That's it.
Yeah,
So you've
yeah,
had
yeah.
you've been able to get through the rehearsals much better
That's
and
right.
have the ringing of the sound in a couple of weeks.
That's right. I mean, I remember when I first started during our first meeting, Harrison.
Hmm.
I showed you how I, placed the mouthpiece on my lips. I would actually curl the bottom lip,
Hmm.
and you
Hmm.
noticed it. Even though I played well, but it wasn't really efficient.
Hmm.
So when you proposed the closed lips option, I'm like, what is this? What's that? I tried. It felt weird. Like what? And then, aha. So basically, it's the air pushing my lips to open,
Hmm.
but not me per se actually doing all this weird lip to open it.
Hmm.
So I think, oh, okay, so that's where the consistency and the endurance comes from. It's basically the air doing all the work for you, but not you overexerting yourself to get the sound out. So fantastic, man. I really appreciate that.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
No, this is the start. Few weeks. We got plenty left.
Couple weeks, man.
That's what I like to hear, man. And thank you for sharing it. It's beautiful. I love to share all the success.